Assalamualaikum and hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be comparing Oud Muaatar and Oud Bakhoor. So this is a hot coal and I am using a quick coal. In today's video I will not be using the local coal that I normally use. So we have our hot coal and then I'm going to divide the coal into two and place one in another burner because we are comparing two products today. So I'll be adding the Oud Muaatar in the golden burner and I'll be adding the Bakhoor in the clay burner. So the Oud Bakhoor I'll be using is Halud. The Oud Bakhoor is from Travel by Aisha and I'll be using Oud Muaatar from Bakhoor store in sense.com. So the Muaatar I use in this video is Bakhoor Sandal Oud and I will be adding just one chip. Just one chip is okay. So I will be placing the chip on the hot coal and I will allow it to do its work. You can see that the smoke is very light and it has started like giving out the effects, the smoky effects. So this is the Halud Bakhoor, the Halud Oud Bakhoor. So Halud means oud in Nigerian language and I will be adding just a chip also so that I can compare it very well. And I use a very small chip and if you can notice the smoke coming out is much like it's more than the smoke coming out from the Muaatar. The smoke coming out from the Bakhoor, you can see how like heavy the smoke is when you compare it to Muaatar. So the smoke from the Oud Muaatar is a very light smoke. It burns slowly and Oud Muaatar is made from pure wood chips and oils, no powders or maybe a little powder, but mostly it's made from original pure wood chips and high quality oils, while Bakhoor is made from wood chips, sugar, sandalwood powder, agarwood powder, ambergris, frankincense, onycha, and oil perfumes. So Oud Bakhoor burns faster than Oud Muaatar from my own comparison and from what I noticed. And the smoke from Oud Bakhoor has a very like leather scent, while Oud Muaatar just has this nice oil fragrance, and Oud Muaatar smells so good.